to this week's video. Here we're gonna show you how to make easy banana bread. But before we start, let's cue the intro. So to get started, you will need these 5 ingredients. First you need 5 bananas. Then you need 1/4 cup of maple syrup. Then you need 2 cups of flour. Then you'll need 2.5 tablespoons of baking soda. Then a dash of almond milk. First we're going to preheat the oven to 350. Now we're going to take our 5 bananas and mash them in the bowl. And now for my favorite part, the mashing. Now it's time to put 2 cups of flour into the bowl. That was 1 cup, now for the second. Now we put 1/4 of a cup of syrup in the bowl. Now it's time to do 2.5 tablespoons of baking soda. Now for a dash of almond milk. Now for the secret ingredient, vanilla. And now let's stir it all together. Oh, that's nice. Now it's time to get the cooking spray and spray it into the pan. And now it's time to pour this into the pan. Now it's time to put it into the oven, but make sure to be safe and get the oven mitt. Now we're gonna set the timer for 40 minutes. Alexa, set the timer for 40 minutes.
40 minutes, starting now.
Now while we wait, let's wash up our mess.
A few minutes later.
Now let's open up the oven. Oh, that's good. Let's wait until it's cool and then let's dive right in. And thanks for watching Cooking with G Muffin. And remember, life's an adventure. Who you're going on it with.